In front of me is Infinix Note 4D Pro Plus, and today I would like to show you how you can check a password saved in Google Passwords Manager. Begin by launching Settings and scrolling all the way down to access Users and Accounts. Then click on this gear under Password Management right next to Google. And click on Google Password Manager. Finally, select any password that you wish to check. Enter your screen lock and click on eye icon next to your password to make it visible. Thanks so much for watching. If you enjoyed this video, leave a like, comment and subscribe. Bye!